Good morning everyone, my name is Arslan and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So today we'll be starting exercise 7.5 and I hope that you have revised the concepts that were previously taught to you and you have been following the lectures in totality. So without any further delay, let's start. So the first question of exercise 7.5 is that we have to do addition and subtraction for the following figures. So first thing what we have to do is that we have to make the fractions out of figures and then we have to do the algebraic operations. And the algebraic operations are also not listed, so we have to figure out that which algebraic operation be done. So the first thing is that the first one will be 1 upon 5. This will be 1 upon 5 and this will be 2 upon 5. The result is 3 upon 5. So you can understand just by looking at it that this will be 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5, that will give us 3 upon 5 because the denominator is common, same, therefore we do not have to use any additional concept of LCM and the algebraic operation can be carried out using operators only. Coming to part B, and this is 5 upon 5, this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 3 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5. Again the denominator is same and therefore 5 minus 3 which will be equal to 2. So the answer is 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5. Now comes 2 upon 6 and this will be 3 upon 6 and result is 1, 2, 3, 5 is 5 upon 6. So the answer will be 2 upon 6 plus 3 upon 6 equal to 5 upon 6. We'll scroll down to the next question and that is we have to solve the following as per the given algebraic operations. So you can see that most of them have the same denominators. So it will be pretty easy to solve. So first 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 18 will give you simple 2 upon 18 because denominator same, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Here also denominator same, so 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 and this will give you 11 upon 15. So these are very easy and more examples and unsolved examples have been discussed previously in our previous video while discussing the concept. So I'll give you 10 seconds so that you can go through the questions and then we'll start after that. So look and go through all the questions of the fractions over here, part question 2, part C till part I, then we'll start. Okay, so part C, again denominator same, 7 minus 5 is equal to 2, so this will be 2 upon 7. Coming to part D, again denominator same, so 1 plus 21 is equal to 22 and this will result into 22 upon 22, which will be further simplified into 1 upon 1 or can be simply written as 1. So you write all the three of them down with equal to signs so that the teacher can understand that you have obtained this answer after obtaining the following. So 12 minus 7 will give you 5 and it will be 5 upon 15. Further simplified, it will become 1 upon 3. Part F will give you 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So it will be 8 upon 8 and it will give you 1 upon 1, or as an integer you can just write 1. So 1 upon 1 will be the fraction representation of integer 1 and 8 upon 8 is the exact representation, rather 1 upon 1 is the simplest form representation. G 1 minus 2 by 3 and 1 is equal to 3 by 3. So 1 is equal to 3. Okay, this is a hint that is given in the question itself. 1 is equal to 3 by 3. So we already know about that. 1 is equal to 3 by 3. It is equal to 22 by 22. It is equal to 8 upon 15 and so on. Whatever the denominator, same the numerator, it is equal to 1. So 1 minus 2 by 3, what will be the answer? It will be 1 will be converted into the same denominator as that of the other one. So 3 will be taken, so it will become 3 upon 3 minus 2 upon 3, which will give you 1 upon 3. Now 1 plus 4 plus 0 upon 4, or here also hint could have been given that 1 plus 4 plus 0. How do we do that? So 0 we have learned in the three principles of fractions that if the numerator is 0, the denominator can be anything. You can put 1, 2, 3, 4 till infinity, you can put any number and the result will be 0. And the another rule was that if you have the denominator as denominator as nothing, then you have to put the denominator by default as 1. And there was a third rule that had two rules in it. One was when the denominator is 0 and the fraction will be undefined, and if the denominator is infinity, then the fraction will be tending to 0 or almost 0 but not 0. Okay, so we discuss some additional concepts also in our classes. So that is why I request you to go through our lectures in totality so that you can understand what we are saying, what we are discussing as of now. So 1 plus 4 plus 0 upon 4, that is, we do not have to add anything. It will give you 1 upon 4. Similarly, over here, this will be 5 upon 5 or 3. Okay, I will explain you that 3 minus 12 upon 5. So you can understand that 1 is equal to 8 upon 8, 3 upon 3, 22 upon 22, or 5 upon 5. Any number, whatever the denominator, same the numerator. And if it is mentioned 3, then what does it mean? I'll break it down. This means that 3 into 1 minus 12 upon 5. Using the broad mass rule, BDMAS rule, we know that multiplication is to be first. So 1 can be written as 5 upon 5. So this will be 3 into 5 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5, which will further result into 15 upon 5 minus 12 upon 5. And 15 minus 12 will give you the answer of 3 upon 5. So this was how we solve such type of questions. This question is a little tricky for you or as of your level. So try to solve it and try to understand why we did 3 into 1 and how we take 1 is equal to 5 upon 5 as mentioned previously. Now coming to next question. So question number 3. Question number 3 states that Shubham painted 2 upon 3 of the wall space in his. Okay, the fraction of wall that has been painted is given. His sister Madhavi helped and painted 1 upon 3 of the wall space. Okay, so there are two people. One is Shubham, he has painted 2 upon 3, and one is Madhavi, who has painted 1 upon 3. Now let us see what the question is. How much did they paint together? So you have to do nothing, but you have to just add Shubham and Madhavi together and you will get the answer 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3, and the denominators are same. So how do we add them up? We just put the algebraic operation with the numerators. So 2 plus 1 give you 3 and 3 upon 3, which means 1 upon 1, which means 1. So how much did they paint together? They painted the full wall together. That is the answer. Question number 4. Fill in the missing fractions. So we have been given a blank or a box in front of every part, and that box is to be filled depending upon the answer that is given in front of is equal to and the number which is at the LHS or the left hand side. 7 upon 10 minus, so we'll just take the unknown as A. As we have taken previously, we have solved such type of questions, we have solved such type of unsolved examples in our previous video. So we'll just put 7 upon 10, follow closely. 7 upon 10 minus A is equal to 3 upon 10. You can take B, C, D, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, S, anything. Now what you have to do is that you have to take the RHS to LHS and LHS to RHS, and the signs of algebraic expressions be reverted or inverted correspondingly. So if it is a minus, this will become, by going on the right hand side, as a plus A. If this is a plus, as it will become 7 upon 10 minus 3 upon 10. 7 upon 10 has not been disturbed, so it will remain as it is. Now the algebraic operation can be done. 7 minus 3, that is 4, and 4 upon 10 will be the answer. If you try to simplify it, it will be 2 upon 5. So I hope you understand how we did that. We'll do one more question. Let us go to the question of D. I hope you can solve B and C. We'll go to the question of D. So we'll take this again as A and we'll do a plus 5 upon 27 is equal to 12 upon 27. Now we have to revert the algebraic operations in order to find a. Best way is that the algebraic operation, the algebraic sign for the variable should be plus. That is the best way to do. So we will not intervene with the variable because it is already in a. Here the sign for the variable was minus. So that is why we took the variable a to the another side, that is RHS, and we took the constant, that is 3 upon 10, or the fraction 3 upon 10, the LHS with the inverted sign. Now it will be a, and the thing which will be taken will be this, and this will also be unchanged. This will make a is equal to 12 upon 27 minus 5 upon 27. Because it was plus, it became minus. Now 12 minus 5 will give you the answer of 7 upon 27, and this will be the answer. So I hope you understand, and I will solve you one more example for, let's say we will solve, so basically okay, B and C are of similar types. Both have the same algebraic operations, both have constants over here, and both have the variables with the plus sign. Here the variable was with the plus sign, but the algebraic operation with the LHS fraction was minus, and here it is was plus, and now here it is minus. So we will solve part B. Now again we will take a minus 3 upon 21 is equal to 5 upon 21. Taking a, remaining it to be positive, then a will be left unintervened. A is equal to 5 upon 21 plus 3 upon 21, and that will make 8 upon 21. Also, if it had been minus 5 upon 21, it would have been minus 5 plus 3. And you know how to do algebraic operations when there are minus and plus. This has been discussed in the previous chapters. So you can you can refer to that. If it had been like minus 5 and this would have been plus, then this would have been minus, and so on. So it is very easy. That is why I am requesting every one of you to refer to our videos, to our lectures in totality, and do not skip any content. That will enable you to grasp the concept in completely, and that will allow you to solve any question related to your curriculum, related to your syllabus, as easily as possible. There is nothing more left for me to. Question number 5. Javed was given 5 upon 7 of basket of oranges. So we'll write J and we'll write 5 upon 7. What fraction of oranges was left in the basket? Okay, there is nothing else remaining. So we know in the first video we understood that if a thing is like, I say that I ate 1 upon 4, 1/4 of a pizza, that means that pizza, I will say it again, if I say that if I ate 1/4 of a pizza, that implies two things. First, that the pizza has been divided into four parts. That is the denominator. The definition of denominator, the number of parts in which the whole has been divided into. Okay, and therefore, if I say I ate the full pizza, that means that I ate 4 slices out of 4 slices of the pizza, or I ate the 4 out of 4 of the whole of a pizza. It can be said in either manner. That means that the total is 4 upon 4. So now the answer to how many oranges were left, that means the answer is for remaining oranges, and that will give us a simple operation to be done, that is total minus what has been consumed. It may be Javed, it may be 2 people, it may be 3 people, so we'll just add J2 minus J3 and so on. For example, Javed ate 5 upon 7, one other one ate 1 upon 7, another one also ate 1 upon 7. So it can be either way. Okay, so as of now it is only 1. So T minus J will be done, and that is 4 upon 4 and minus 5 upon 7. No, 4 upon 4 no, because it is 5 upon 7. So this will be 7 upon 7. Okay, I was referring to this example, that is why I wrote 4 upon 4. So this will be 7 upon 7 minus 5 upon 7, which will give us 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 upon 7, and that will be the answer of the fraction of oranges left in the basket. So with this we conclude exercise 7.5, and I hope that you have understood that how we approach the questions and how do we solve it. We have discussed various additional concepts regarding infinity, regarding undefined fractions, regarding algebraic operations, regarding cross multiplication on on a more complex scale. We have discussed about like how to do how do we what is infinity and what is its purpose. So various things have been discussed in our previous chapters in various sections. So I will suggest you please go through our playlist class 6 mathematics chapter, class 6 mathematics, and in that you will find the videos chronologically starting from chapter 1 till date and so on. So the videos will be updated in the playlist. So do refer to that. And if you like our way of teaching, hit the subscribe button and the like button. And if you find it useful, then please share it with your friends. And if you have any suggestions, do comment in the comment section and we'll definitely get back to you. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.